Hello guys, today I'm playing crafting and building servers. So let's play. Okay guys, so these are the servers we are playing today. So guys, let's play right now. One sec guys. Okay guys, it's loading. I'll see you in a sec. Okay guys, we came to the game, so let's go in here. Okay, let's go. I'll see you in a sec guys. Okay guys, we came. So I got some tools and some blocks and some arrows and wood guys, more. Okay, I think this is capture. Let's go up, 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 up. Oh my god. No way guys, we came so much. Okay guys, if we fell down from here, we will definitely die. So let's take our sword and be there. So if anybody will be there means we will just we'll kill them from arrows. Okay, this guy is doing something. I think he's not using axe guys. If he use axe means it will be very nice. But no, this guy is irritating. Guys, this guy, yes guys, we defeated the guy. Okay, we defeated that guy. So let's capture that flag. Okay, let's take out this guy. No. How that guy got iron guys? Oh my god guys, we got water in here guys in just nice time. Okay guys, let's capture that flag. Oh my god, how this guy got diamond? No. Who's that? No guys, somebody just. Guys, let's go again. Why me only guys? Okay, let's go up. Let's take our bone and go. So nobody can do anything. We are the legends. We are the legends. So guys, red team won because I joined in the middle of the game. So let's do this parkour. Oh my god guys, what is this? Best games parkour starts. Okay guys, let's go. No. Okay guys, so we came. Let's jump here. Okay, let's go. Guys, I'm not that best at like in parkour. I'm not that much best guys. So let's play. Oh my god guys, somebody just like. Okay guys, let's play. Okay guys, again we came. So this time guys, we came like first time only. So guys, how we should get those things guys? If you know like how to get that diamond and iron armor guys. Oh my god guys, iron blocks guys, we can mine them. Yes guys, we have to make like this. Okay. Let's take them. Yeah guys, we have to make like this only. Diamond also like here only it will be. Let's see where it is and let's mine them guys. Okay guys, let's mine. Means we can mine however we want guys. Iron blocks, how much we want we can like take. Guys, let's make iron armor. I think there's one chance for this only guys. Okay, what is in here? Nothing. Okay, no problem guys. So let's take our iron tools. Okay guys, let's take out these tools. Okay, but I'll put them guys because we don't know what we need. What happened? Okay guys, we got strength and those things. Okay, let's make iron. Guys, it's more than enough. Let's make some armor. Okay, we got no. I think we have to. No, what is happening guys? Hello, what is happening? Okay, let's take out those. Okay guys, let's make a helmet and boots. Okay guys, oh my god, I just threw it. Okay, let's put it on this also. So let's okay, let's take a chest. Let's make a chest and let's put here. Can we please? Okay, now let's put our armor guys and tools. So whenever we want we can take. Okay, let's go in. Okay guys, let's take this and make tools. Okay, I think this is enough. Okay, let's take our pickaxe also. So let's make our irons, and even I put iron in it guys, so any emergency situation we have to put now. That's why let's put some wood also. So let's put this much wood and these blocks guys. I need one stack. Okay, I'll take two stacks. Let's put this iron also. Let's take more iron guys. See guys, how this guy get the diamond guys? I want to know and I want to get it. Okay guys, let's go up guys, so we can like see. Bro, we can go up guys. We can't go up, we have to die for that. No need guys. Okay, let's take this iron. I think I'll take like 20 pieces guys. Okay, let's take 20. Okay guys, let's take like 10 only guys. I'm not interested that many. Guys, I think we have to go there for that guys. Okay, no building here guys. If they build here, I will die. Okay, let's cover it. Nobody can go. Or is there... No. Guys, like saying. Okay guys, it's fully raining. I put one video, you can see that fully raining guys, full of rain. No. Go. Let's go. Okay, take him guys. Take him. Let's go here. What we can do here guys? Let's go up. Let's go here. What we can do? Look. Nothing. Just for nothing only we came here. I think there will be like diamond blocks and we can... No. Oh my god guys, you take my half of my hearts. Okay guys, let's go there. Let's go. So where is our like we put it one month. What is that? Right? Nobody's seeing. Okay, let's double check. No guys, iron blocks. No. Guys, they took our iron. Let's mine them. Again, guys. They took iron and our blocks. Who is that idiot who took? Wood all, guys. Kept in that only. This time I am not putting anything in that thing. Okay, guys. We got one. Let's go. Okay guys, let's go down. Okay, let's go for him guys. Okay guys, now let's go to that idiot's place and let's fight them guys. No, almost I died guys. Almost. No guys, this is going wherever this guy wants, right? Okay guys, our teammates are making nice only. So, can I mine this? Oh yeah guys, let's go mining. Okay, we got the blocks also. Let's go. We get the blocks also guys. We got like extra blocks. Let's mine and go to that flag. And let's take their idiot flag. Guys, he's an idiot guys. Don't ask about him. He's just idiot. I'll just place a block on him. Loser. Okay, guys. Oh my god. No, 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 no. Okay, guys, let's build. No, no, no. Do not touch me, guys. If they touch me, I'll die, guys. That much. Okay, let's take out this guy. Okay, let's take out this. Let's take out this guy. Okay, guys, you also have full iron. No, 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 no. Don't. If you do it, I'll kill you, man. Oh, no, 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 no. I got that, guys. Nice. Okay. Did I got my iron? No. Okay, guys. We have to mine again. Nice. That's why I'm making full iron, guys. I'm taking all my blocks with me. The good thing is, guess somebody is coming. Okay, we have to take out him. No, 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 another guy is coming out. Okay, he's coming there. Okay, guys, they're trying to divert us. One coming there means they will fear. Okay, let's take this guy arrows. Okay, guys, we're taking his arrows. Oh, let's go, guys. We're taking. Okay, we can't kill him. As you know, our teammates with Ilosarai and everyone will try to kill everyone for everything else. I like this server, guys. It's so nice. Okay, let's make some iron. Okay, let's make some iron. Okay, let's make. Okay, go. No. Go. Bro. Why, guys? Why? Why it is not doing this? No? What is happening here? Why it's not going? Okay, I should do it like this, okay? Yes. Let's throw this poopy armor. Now let's make some tools. Sword? This? No need that, guys. It's a waste of iron only. Oh my god, I made two pickaxes, guys. Sorry. I made two pickaxes, guys. Oh my god, guys. I made two pickaxes. Okay, guys, let's go. We're rich, guys. So much, guys. Okay, this time I returned. Let's go to that guy's thing. And let's go to his, let's go to their thing and let's take. No. Hey, where's that thing? No, that guy is good. Get a full damage, guys. Okay, let's go. Yes! Guys, our teammates are doing well only. Okay, let's go there. So, if in emergency cases we can come, guys. Okay, guys, are coming? Okay, let's go. Oh my god, guys, this is very. Okay, guys, let's go down and kill that guy. Somebody. Let's go on, guys. Okay, let's kill him. No, we killed our teammate. Okay, now problems. Our teammates will see him. Okay, let's come here and let's run. Guys, this guy is idiot, guys. Why they written like this, guys? Are they mentals or something? No. Why it's like this, guys? Let's find it. Bruh. Okay. They made only. If they're taken out, I will be very, very mad, guys. They're doing whatever they want. They're not like. Okay, what's going on? Speed bridging. Speed bridge. Oh no. Sorry, guys. I just fought from that speed. bridging. We have to sneak, guys, or else we'll die. Okay, guys. Okay, little bit we came up. No problem. Okay, guys, they're fighting for the they're fighting for the I don't know what we say in English, guys. Can't tell. Okay, guys, we can take this. Yes, guys, we have food. I don't know where we get those things. What I'll take it. Okay, we have to sneak. No going from there, guys. If I go means I'll die permanently. Some more up. Up, guys. Up means up only. At the high limit we will go, guys. Okay, we came out the mountain. No. Take him. Okay. Where's the flag? Oh my god, guys. I'm very scared. If they... No, already, guys. I told you they'll do me something, guys. Let's go. For team one flag, guys. We are set, guys. We don't need any armor or something. Let's go. Oh my god, just miss, guys. I'm thinking that speed bridge. Nice, guys. Speed bridging is so nice, guys. I got so much wheat and I died, guys. If I taken that and come like, you know. Oh my god. Somebody capture our flag. He'll die now. Okay, guys. He again dropped, I think. No. Oh my god. This guy is a legendary secret guy. Let's go to him. Secret. Pass through. No. I'm low. I'm not coming with you. I'm low. Guys, I change my mind. Let's take iron. Or else we'll die, guys. Fastly we'll die. If I don't take like that. Yes, please like and subscribe and share. Yes, please. Oh my god. What is that? No. Okay, let's see. Let's aim our arrow. Okay. We're aiming. No. I'm going. Do your work, man. I'm going. Guys, we can go from backside and hit him if he'll fall down means. Yeah, the legends, guys. I'm 1,000 million IQ, guys. Okay, let's go. Oh my god, guys, they're taking everything out. Okay, guys, let's go up and we can defeat him, guys. Bruh, you may not build here. Why, man? Get here? No. What? We can build up. Okay. Let's jump here. If one block will come inside. Okay. Let's go. No. Please, here. If I go up, means, guys, I'll be set. Okay, why we can't build here? Okay, guys, we can build here at least here. Okay, we have to go up, guys. If we go up, we are set. Okay, please. Can sneak up, guys. No, he did not see me. No! No. That guy just made me die. Where is that idiot? Mental. Because they're taking all our flags, guys. We'll die. Let's go here. Let's go up. Hello. Okay, it's not seeing. We can go, guys. Ooh. Let's go. We have to mine here, guys. No. Iron horse. Okay, guys, we are 11s than him. How are you sitting, man? How are you sitting? No, again, guys. Red wins. I'm very, very, very hungry, guys. Okay, let's play another game, guys. Okay, let's click return to lobby. Okay, we came to lobby. What is this? Settings, not settings. Lobby. Yes. Not this also, guys. Social menu. No, guys. Okay. Travel. Yes, guys, we got it. Let's play Egg Wars. This is my favorite game, guys. But I'm not still not that much better, guys. Let's go to Egg Wars Mega. There's nothing we have to do, guys. It's like hardcore. Okay, let's vote. Let's vote hardcore on this. Okay, let's vote. Oh my god. Overpowered. Hello? All this right died? Huh. Who is that, guys? Oh my god. They're dying so quick. Let's go here. What we should do, guys? I'm not that much. Okay. Iron generator. Egg Wars Mega means, guys, all will be like mega means like 988999 like that guys. Okay, this is better, guys. Okay, guys. Oh my god, guys. See how much iron we get, guys. Oh my god, this is generating like 1,000,000, guys. Okay, let's stick here. Okay, guys, we already got stacks. Where we should? Oh my god, guys, we are set, guys. We are set. Oh my god, what's this? Emerald generator. Okay, we should trade here. Let's fully gear up, guys. Weapons. Oh my god, what for wooden sword? Bruh. Oh my god. Okay, guys, let's trade with him armor this time. Oh my god, what is this, guys? Bundle. Okay, what is this? What will this do? Okay, I'm getting like full set of armor. I don't know why, but I'm going to take this, guys. So let's take steak. 6 steak. Cooked beef. Okay. Now let's take this. What will this do? 10 diamonds? Oh my god. Okay, guys, let's see. Okay, no problem. Got stone pickaxe. Oh my god, guys, we got gold, guys. Oh my god, This is a legendary of iron, guys. How much it's like my game is lagging, guys, because of this iron. In Bed Wars, guys, we'll like wait 100 minutes or 100 hours, guys, for iron. We are getting iron is very rare in Bed Wars, guys. Oh my god, my game is lagging, guys. Let's make a chest and put in there, guys. One is a problem, guys. I don't have, you know what I don't have. Oh my god, diamond generator. Oh my god, goals. Okay, this way. Okay, guys, diamonds. Let's go, guys. We got so many diamonds and gold. Guys, in some time we'll take this. I knew it. Sometime there will be diamonds. I need all this precious gold, guys. How do I make a chest? See, guys, how much iron just I have. 2 diamonds also, guys. Okay, let's take somewhere. It has to be, guys. Somewhere. Please tell me somewhere would have to be there. Okay, let's check from here. If it comes, I'll be very happy. Please, no. Okay, guys, we can't do anything. I don't know how to eat. Oh my god, no, guys. Guys, nobody didn't make me die. I only died. Nice. No, guys, my precious gold. Oh, thanks, man. Mental. Okay. Okay, guys. Oh my god. That makes me die. Oh my god. That much iron and everything. I died, guys. Okay. But I have been destroyed. Who's that? Hey, you, where is? You're the biggest mental ever I seen. Guess who will fight with pickaxe? Tell me. Oh my god, too. Bye. Take my loot. Guys. No. Guys, see the gold, guys. Okay, guys, today's game is this only. Okay, so 1 minute, guys, I'll play another game. Okay, 1 minute. So guys, I decided to play beta games, so nothing will be there in this, guys. Beta games. Wait a minute, this is the capture the flag now, guys. 1 minute, guys. Okay, guys, let's see. Let's go to lobby. Okay, Bavarian minor wave. What is this, guys? Minor wave. What we should do? Okay, let's join this. Okay, let's see. Okay, 200 only, guys. Okay, let's go. What we should do, guys? Okay, guys, this is only my favorite game, guys. This is one of my favorite games. Like they'll see, guys, you can see my XP bar is going. That is only timer. So guys, they'll conduct some games, guys. You can join this minor wave. So what will happen means, see, guys, you'll only see, guys. Okay, they'll put some games, guys. We have to win those to win, guys. We are the first winner. Okay, knockball means knockball. What we should do? Hello? Oh no, guys, my just stuck. So guys, this is red box for like lost, who lost. That's the green box, who wins, guys. I don't know what we should do, guys. That's why I died. We have to hit, guys. Okay, let's see in that box who wins. Okay, nobody, guys. All just a snowball fight. What we should do? Okay, let's go. Okay, let's take this. Hello? I can't. do this. No. Hey, die, you mentals. Okay, let's see. I think we'll take here. Let's do this. Yes, guys. So blue team wins. I got 1% of score, guys. Reach the platforms. What we should do? Hello? I didn't get any wool, guys. Okay, we should take here. No, guys. Time is going. No. So fast breathing, please. After one, guys. This is very easy. No, guys, I failed. Only 2 meters, guys. Mushroom parkour. Oh my god. That sound. Yes, this is so easy. But no. Yes, guys, we came. Okay, we got, and those 3 got. Again, those 3. 2 got. No. Already? What the hell? Okay, guys, let's see these idiots. We came up. No. That guy just pushed me, guys. I didn't even see. Okay, I failed, guys. So, those 2 are getting every time, guys. Hide under. What the? Hide under block. Okay, I hide. Okay, we should not fall. Guys, that guy just pushed me, guys. This time only 1 got. I have arrows to shoot 1 now. Guys, I didn't read only and they just pushed me off the thing. Okay, guys, let's see. We won only 2 times, guys. I am the last one, guys. Everybody got so much. Good or bad door. And just follow those idiots, guys. Okay, let's go in. No thing, guys. If we just like falling and those things. No. Let's see. This is the good door. Let's go. This is the annoying part, guys. Okay. We won. Let's go, guys. We won. So, guys, see. Speed up. Unlucky players in void. Speed up. What does it do? Thin ice. Oh my god. Avoid the water. Okay. No. Guys, literally, oh my god. Yes, guys. Let's go. This unlucky player. Okay. Mob dinner won't make it color rainbow color. No, not make, guys. Yes, guys, let's go. Find the button where we should see. No. Wait a second. Okay, it's here. No, guys, I didn't click it in correct time. Okay, this is better. Yes, guys, we won. Okay, guys, we won. Oh my god, why Ender Dragon came, guys? There's this unlucky guys in lead, guys. Build a goal. Okay, let's go. Okay, let's make some stone blocks. Okay, let's make. Okay. Yes, guys, I made, guys. Easy, guys. Find something. Dark oak. Yes, guys, let's go. We found in first try only, guys. They're the idiots. Guys, that guy is only. Okay, let that it. That's it only. Okay. No. What should I do now? Hello? No, I ignited, guys. Fail? I ignited now, guys. Okay, we have to ignite 15 seconds. Okay, let's do this. No guys, what we should do? Hello? Where I should do? Yes. Okay, let's take this. Okay. Yellow is my null, guys. Let's make this also. Okay, yellow. I want yellow every time. I need yellow everywhere, guys. Yellow is not my favorite color, but we need to win, my guys. Okay, let's convert. No. Yes, these are idiots, guys. So much doing. Let's do more than more, guys. Okay, let's see here. Let's do here. Okay, let's do everywhere, guys. Everywhere. Wherever we are seeing, we should do this. Okay, did we win? Okay, guys, we won. Let's go. But I'm not in the lead, guys. I'm the least one, guys. So bye, guys.